Hello everyone, so today's question is from the Shift 2 J Mains January 31, 2023. So what is the question? Says a sample of metal oxide has a formula of this. The metal M exists in the two oxidation state, that is +2 and +3. In the sample of this, the percentage of metal ions existing in +2 state is, we have to find the percentage. So how will you find? In such type of question you have to be, suppose let's say we have to find what? We have to find the percentage of metal ions which is existing in +2 oxidation state. Okay, so we have to find this. So let's say the amount is X. This is the amount we are letting, that it is the amount whatever present in this oxide for the +2 oxidation status. Let's say it is X, and here what we are having, the total M, it is overall given, it is 0.83. This is the total. Yes, so if it is, if we have let that if it is X, then if you subtract from the total the X, so what will you get? You will get this M3 plus. If you total or both of these, if you, this is X plus 0.83 minus X, so this will cut down, so it will comes out to be 0.83 only. So this is the total amount in which M plus 2 plus M3 both oxidation state is included. So we have supposed one should be X and one is total minus X. Okay, so now what we have to do? So in +2 oxidation state, let's say it is 2X plus 2 oxidation is 3. How much amount it is? 0.83 minus X. Okay, now which is we need to find for what? For the +2 oxidation state, so which is equals to, let's find it out how much it will come. It is 2X plus, we have to multiply it with the 0.83 minus 3X. So here 2X minus 3X, it will comes out to be minus X. This is okay. So this is what we got. First we have to put it here, 2 over here. Why so? If you see that oxide is also given, so minus 2 will be here, and here this is equals to, let's say, let us put it 0. So if you come minus will come over here, then how it will come? It will come by 2. Okay, so here we are left with, if you multiply this, so it will come out to be 3 into 3 is 9, 3 is 24, so it is 2.49. Yes, multiplied with this. So here we are having got 2X, and here we are having, this is your 2. So 2X minus 3X is this, and here if you subtract this is 2 minus 2.49, so it will come out to be minus 0.49. Let's cancel this. So X comes out to be 0.49. So till here it is clear, right? Now if you see over here, yes, so we'll continue from here. Question is asking about the percentage of M2 plus. So percentage, how we will calculate? How much percentage it is occupying? 0.49. Total, how much it is given in the question? That is 0.83, and percentage, it means you have to multiply it with 100, so it will come out to be 59%. So the correct answer for this is 59. Thank you. Hope you understood the solution.